Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this lovely Volkswagen Touareg R-Line. It's a 2019 plate and it's finished in pure white. This is part of our approved use scheme, which means you get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance and a full Volkswagen 142-point check. It's a really stunning car, inside and out. This one's got a rear camera on it as well. Heated steering wheel, heated front seats. It is on site as well, so it's available to view or test drive whenever suits you. I mean, it's not a demonstrator vehicle or anything, so it is always around. I'll just get in now and show you. It's done 52,073 miles. 3-litre TDI diesel engine. Got your automatic gearbox there. You can also change the gears manually with the pedals. We will give it a full valet for you as well before you do take the car. We offer nationwide delivery for just $199, or obviously you can come and pick it up yourself. Dark headlining, nice and sporty. I'll just show you the rear camera now. Pop it into reverse and the rear camera automatically comes up. This car's also got the option for park assist. As you can see there, it comes up on the instrument cluster. You can see if you want to go forward bay park, parallel parking, reverse bay park, forward bay park the other way, so that there are two sides of the road and it just comes up like that. So really easy to use and a great feature if you're having trouble parking. Obviously it's a really big vehicle. This literally does it for you. All you've got to do is control the brake and accelerator, so very easy to do. We've got the nice upgraded screen as well. Well, this is standard on the Touaregs, the Discover Navigation Pro. So if you're used to Golfs, this is the upgraded 9.2 inch system, so you pay extra for that because you've got streaming and internet, and obviously you've got navigation, and you can also have a few things on your homepage at once, and it's a bigger screen than on the Golf, so really nice to have that in this car. You've also got heated seats, heated steering wheel, like I say, and yeah, really nice. I'll just move the car forward to show you the boot. Really quiet, as you can hear, for a diesel as well. Electronic handbrake, of course. I'll just open the boot now. You can hear it makes that tone, just to let you know and let others know that the boot's coming up. Like I say, a full valet will be done as well before you do take the car. Electronic boot, of course. You do also have the mats in there, and you've got a spare wheel as well, so great peace of mind really. Of course, you've got your 2 years roadside assistance as well included. So you've got over £2,000 worth of benefits with the Volkswagen approved use scheme. Lovely car, lovely colour. These are really popular at the moment. We seem to be selling an awful lot of Touaregs. People coming up from cars like the Tiguan. Someone needing proper 4x4 car. This is perfect, especially now it's turning to winter. If you're thinking that your smaller car or not a 4x4 car is not going to manage it, this will definitely do the trick. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We do offer flexible financial options and part exchange. Welcome.